JDCap26 here. I just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And we got this little jewelry piece here. And we're going to test it and see if it's real or not. What you use is a little vinegar. And if it changes color, it is not real cold. So let's see. I'm going to put a couple drops vinegar on it. And squirt that out. And let's see. Wow, did not change color. That means it's real gold. We got a winner. A little background on the Italian horn is that it's a protection against the evil eye, and that's why Italians wear it. And people would give somebody an evil eye by looking at them. And I don't know if it's folklore or not, but you can look it up. So that's the video tip for today. And I think maybe I'll go to the pawn shop and maybe get some money, as I need it to buy medicine. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time.